3, 2, 1.
What is the name of the Hindu god of creation? The answer is D. Brahma. Why would soil be more loosely packed than it was the previous day? The answer is D. The native worm population. Who is the main character in War and Peace? The answer is B. Pierre Bezukhov. High levels of radiation can remove electrons from. The answer is C. Metals. In the Wayne's World movie, from where is Wayne and Garth's live cable access show broadcast? The answer is B. Wayne's basement. Which of the following is the greatest source of wild fish for human populations? The answer is D. Oceans. Name the two types of carbohydrates. The answer is B. Simple and complex. What reproductive method has two parents involved? The answer is D. Sexually. What was the first automobile in the world? The answer is A. Model T. Continental drift also promotes what speciation? The answer is C. Allopatric. What is the name of the TV show where characters eat food? The answer is D. Man v. Th. What small biological structures make up all living things, including the human body? The answer is B. Cells. What is the title of Che Guevara's very last diary? The answer is B. Bolivian Diary. Which Buffy the Vampire Slayer character accidentally killed Tara with a wayward bullet? The answer is B. Warren. What designer is famous for doing a cartwheel at the end of her fashion shows? The answer is B. Betsey Johnson. Marine fishes take indivalent ions by incessantly drinking what? The answer is A. Seawater. What is always hungry and can cut wood? The answer is B. Saw. Water pollution occurs when chemicals, sewage, trash, or heat enter what? The answer is D. Water resources. How are the young box turtles classified according to their diet, which differs from the diet of mature box turtles? The answer is D. Carnivores. The posterior half of the foot is formed by 7 tarsal bones. The most superior of these bones is called. The answer is D. Talus. The city of Port Royal, known for Gallows Point where many pirates were executed, is located on what Caribbean island? The answer is C. Jamaica. What kind of reptile is a national symbol of Cuba? The answer is B. Crocodile. Enid Blyton's mystery stories feature the 5 fine doubters and dog. What was the real name of the boy known as Fatty? The answer is C. Frederick Algernon Trottville. What did David, son of Sam Berkowitz, carry his gun in while he committed his crimes? The answer is A. brown paper bag. Which painter created the Mona Lisa? The answer is C. Leonardo da Vinci. Which fashion brand was initially named Blue Wince? The answer is A. Gucci. Who is the main character in the game Borderlands? The answer is C. Reese. Work expands to fill the time available for its completion. Under what name is this law known? The answer is A. Parkinson's law. The double bass is the largest of what musical family? The answer is C. Flute. What is the shortest day in a common year? The answer is C. December 31. Who was the father of modern medicine? The answer is A. Hippocrates. Which language was used as a lingua franca in the Middle East from the 8th to the 19th century? The answer is A. Arabic. Which continent is the driest? The answer is D. Australia. Which author wrote Slaughterhouse-Five? The answer is D. Kurt Vonnegut. Which acid is produced by the stomach to aid in digestion? The answer is B. Hydrochloric acid. Which party has a majority in Cuba's National Assembly of People's Power? The answer is A. The Communist Party. Which of these particles is not a quark? The answer is A. Electron. What was the last name of the Ozarks multimillionaire in the Beverly Hillbillies? The answer is A. Clampett. The title of what movie was translated in China as His great device makes him famous or His powerful device makes him famous? The answer is C. Boogie Nights. What is the largest domino structure ever created? The answer is D. 3.3 billion. What is the name of the character who says this is Sparta in God of War series? The answer is B. Spartacus. What is the name of the compound that forms when hydrogen and nitrogen combine under high pressure? The answer is A. Ammonia. Which organelle makes DNA? The answer is A. Nucleus. What always happens twice a day, but never makes a sound? The answer is A. Sunrise. Which is non-magnetic? The answer is C. Traffic cone. What does a garlic press do? The answer is D. Crush garlic. What is the mysterious substance that is being researched in the north by Lord Asriel in Philip Pullman's book The Golden Compass? The answer is A. Dust. When Dennis operates his lawnmower, he notices the engine makes a lot of noise. He also notices that the engine gets very hot, which best describes the heat and noise generated from the lawnmower. The answer is C. An increase in entropy. Technetium is named after the Greek technikos, meaning artificial, because all its isotopes are what? The answer is D. Radioactive. What is the study of the solar system called?